Recovering your iPad emails without a backup.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our guide on how to recover your iPad emails if you don't have a backup. It's always best to keep a backup of your emails, but life happens, and you might find yourself needing to retrieve emails without a backup. So today, we will guide you on how to do just that. Please note, however, that this method assumes you are using an email service that syncs your emails across devices, like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, etc.
Check your iPad email settings.
The first step in retrieving your emails is checking your email settings on your iPad. 1. Open your iPad Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Mail. 2. Under Accounts, make sure that the email account from which you want to retrieve your emails is listed and turned on. 3. Next, tap on your email account, and then again on the Account option. 4. Under Mail, ensure that Mail is turned on to sync emails.
Are you connected to the internet?
The next thing to check is whether your iPad is connected to the internet. Your iPad needs a stable internet connection to sync and retrieve emails from your email provider's server. 1. Check the top right corner of your iPad screen for Wi-Fi or cellular data symbol. 2. If not connected, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi or Cellular, and make sure you are connected to a network.
Manually refreshing your email.
Once your email settings are correct and you're connected to the internet, you can manually refresh your email. 1. Open the Mail app on your iPad. 2. Pull down from the top of the screen to refresh your inbox and sync your emails.
Checking on another device.
If the emails are still not appearing on your iPad, try accessing your email account on another device or through a web browser. If you can see your emails there, the issue may be with your iPad specifically. We hope this guide helps you recover your emails on your iPad without a backup. Please remember to regularly back up your emails to prevent any loss in the future. Thanks for watching, and good luck.